Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from Flip Family. I'm a busy working mom of 2 kids and life has been pretty hectic, I would say the least, with working from home full time, entertaining 2 kids, trying to do distant learning, I guess you can call that, and making sure this household is in some sort of organized order. Does all that happen? Probably not. Not on most days, but in this channel, I'm here to help my busy parents get some ideas on some quick and simple recipes that you could do for the week, perfect for meal planning, and some fun activities to do with a lot of items you can find in your house. And one more thing before we watch this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is a Filipino recipe, and it's one of my childhood favorite recipes growing up, and it's called adobo. And adobo is more of a vinegar-based stew that can use a lot of different meats. Chicken is popular as well as pork. Those are the 2 meats that I've always seen it used. You can make it also vegetarian/vegan with cauliflower, tofu and mushroom, and it's so good. And I can't take all the credit. I actually use the I Am a Filipino cookbook. I use her secrets in here, so I'm gonna share these secrets with you in this video. First, I'm going to show you the ingredients you need. So first, you're going to pick your protein. Here, I'm using drumsticks and chicken thighs. And then you're going to need soy sauce. You can use low sodium. Also, coconut aminos is a great healthier option. Vinegar, Filipino vinegar, or apple cider vinegar for your healthier version. And bay leaves. You'll need a couple leaves of bay leaves for this recipe. And then some whole peppercorns. I prefer your peppercorns to be whole rather than grinded because it gives more of the pepper flavor. So I highly recommend whole peppercorns. Minced garlic, and I get this already prepped because I do not have time to mince my garlic. And the next 2 are optional. This is dark soy sauce, and that just gives a deeper flavor. It's not necessary. And here's one of my secrets is jam. So any jam you have in your pantry. So this, I had marionberry jam in here, and I find any jam works. So I highly recommend that. So I'm going to use my Instant Pot because it's going to cook fast. And I was meal prepping, so I want to show you how to use an Instant Pot. So first, you're going to put it on saute mode and put some oil and garlic and let that saute for a bit before it turns brown and until it's fragrant. So you want to saute it in there before you put the rest of the ingredients. So here it's at you're going to add a cup of vinegar and then a half a cup of soy sauce or coconut aminos in there. And then if you have it, I would add your dark soy sauce. So a half cup of dark soy sauce. So the dark soy sauce, like I mentioned earlier, just gives that really deep flavor. But I like mine more vinegary. So I have more vinegar in here than the soy sauce. But again, a chicken adobo is to taste. So if you want to add more of soy sauce, add more soy sauce. Or if you want it more vinegar, add more vinegar at this time before you add your chicken. So I'm just going to mix that real quick before I add my protein. Next, you're going to add your whole peppercorns. I just put a couple of peppercorns in there. Another tip, if you do have it, you can use a cheesecloth and add your peppercorn and bay leaf in there and just wrap it so it's easy to get out after it's done. But I didn't have it on hand, so I'm just going to throw it in there. And then two leaves of bay leaves. I use between 2 to 3, whatever I feel. And then my jam. So this is, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of jam in there. So the jam also acts as a thickener. So it'll thicken this sauce more once it's done. So it has duplicate uses One, to sweeten a bit, and then to thicken. So I'm going to mix this one more time to get the jam all mixed in and all the flavors mixed in before I add everything else. And I'm using frozen chicken. I forgot to mention that earlier. I'm using my chicken from Frozen's because I want to show you how it works in the Instant Pot. So I'm just going to add it in there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water because when you use your Instant Pot, you want to add a little more liquid than usual because you're pressuring your meat in there. So I probably used about 1.5 cups of water. You probably don't need that much, but I like my sauce saucy. So I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to cook this probably 15 to 20 minutes on high pressure. So once it's ready, I'm just going to press the button to let the air out, and I'm just going to wait for everything to come out before I open up and show you the goodness. And look at that. It's all cooked, and that was from frozen chicken. So what you could do here is let it saute. Switch it to saute mode and saute it for a bit just to thicken the sauce a bit. Again, it's to your liking. I like it saucy because I like to put it over my rice. But it's pretty much done. If you saute it, again, it'll like thicken the sauce and just add more flavor to your chicken. But like I said, this is pretty much done, and it's straight from frozen chicken. How amazing! How cool, right? So that's it. That's how you make chicken adobo in the Instant Pot. So if you do not have an Instant Pot, you can actually just cook this on a stovetop. Just how I cooked it in the Instant Pot. I would probably let it simmer on the stovetop probably a little longer to make it juicy, probably a little over 30-45 minutes, I would say, maybe even an hour. Just let it simmer over the stovetop if you don't have an Instant Pot. But the Instant Pot saves me time because I'm able to multitask and cook other dishes as this is cooking. So that's how you make it in the Instant Pot. Who would have thought, right? That little secret that I showed you. And it's so good. That's my little secret. So if you guys enjoyed this video, comment below. Let me know what meat you like in your adobo and how you eat it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch the next video. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.